For this episode, let's try to make an air fry Japanese fish. It's a yellowtail, slice of yellowtail Japanese fish. I hope you like it and you get another idea. Well, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and check out my other air fry recipes here. For this time, the procedure is very simple. We only need some salt, garlic powder, black pepper, some parsley, applied to both sides. This yellowtail fish is quite popular also in Japan and so well consumed everywhere, and it's not that expensive and it's very delicious and a lot of benefits. It's a very healthy kind of fish. And actually it's my second time actually to have this kind of fish, and it's gonna be one of my favorite now because I love the taste. It has a similarity with a tuna fin, but this is better in my opinion. Cooking procedure is very simple. Air fry time, first 10 minutes, 400 degrees Fahrenheit, and then after that, flip it, additional 7 minutes. So total cooking time is actually 7-10 minutes. So now we have to make sure flip it on the other side, and then additional 7 minutes of cooking. Well, you can cook it for additional 5 minutes, but for me I want it 7 minutes to make it more crispy. Yummy, crispy and toasty. Tastes really good. Perfect.